we got this baby bird, and I tried feeding it a worm. How old do you think? It can almost fly. I cannot find the nest though. I don't know where it came from. I'm just curious. What do you think we should do? I heard picking it up, you know, having that scent would be bad, so picking it up with my shirt if that matters. But it looks like it's okay. I'm trying to see if the wing is damaged. So it looks, I mean, it's now it's jumping around. There it goes. There it goes. Yeah. There we go. Oh yeah, now we're going.
Believe in your spouse.
.com